Important announcement, please read fully. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today is November 26, 2025, and exactly 9 years ago, on November 26, 2016. This journey began as Sohan Tech Tips. From today onwards, the channel will simply be known as Raja Bishwas. You can find me at STT Raja Bishwas. For the past 9 years, this channel has been all about technology, tips, tutorials, reviews, and everything that could help you in your daily digital life. You supported me, you watched, you commented, and together we grew. I will always be grateful for that love and trust. But over the last few months, something inside me has deeply changed. When I look at the world today, my heart feels heavy. I see innocent children and families in Palestine being crushed under relentless attacks backed by superpowers. I see Sudan, once known as a land of peace, burning, with millions displaced and countless lives lost. I see the war in Ukraine dragging on, taking innocent lives every single day. I see our climate collapsing right before our eyes, extreme weather, vanishing forests, animals losing their homes, and oxygen levels dropping because trees are being cut illegally at an alarming rate. These are not just news stories to me anymore. They keep me awake at night. They hurt. After a lot of thinking, prayer, and reflection, I have made a difficult but firm decision. This channel will no longer focus only on technology.
From now on, this space will be dedicated to something much bigger, Chinho, raising awareness about the real issues facing our world today. We will talk about peace, justice, humanity, the environment, climate change, the suffering of innocent people, and most importantly, exposing the forces that are deliberately destroying peace on this planet.
My videos will be educational, well-researched, and honest. I want to open eyes. I want to awaken hearts. I want each of us to feel responsible for this beautiful planet and its people.
If you came here for tech tips, I completely understand if this new direction is not for you. Feel free to unsubscribe with my sincere thanks and best wishes. No hard feelings at all. But if you believe, like I do, that silence in the face of injustice is no longer an option. If you believe that one voice, one video, one share can make a difference, then please stay. Walk with me. Let's use this platform for something that truly matters. Together, let's become a voice for the voiceless. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for the past 9 years. And inshallah, with your support, let the next chapter be even more meaningful. This is Raja Bishwas. See you very soon with the first video of this new journey. Allah Hafiz.